Today I am going to tell you about how to work with Microsoft Word. So if you want to open the Microsoft Word, what you will do, you will type WinWord in the search box and then click on the enter key. So you will see here the window will be open for you. Yes, this is the window of Microsoft Word. So student, this is also known as the software which is used for creating and formatting the document by using keyboard. After creating the document, we can save it in the hard disk for the future use, and we can also do the printout of any of the document on a paper using the printer. So what we will do with the help of this word processor, number one, we can type the letters and reports like in this way with the help of the keyboard. We can change the color with the help of this option. Suppose I'll be writing over here glass. I'm going to increase the size and I'm writing here it's glass. So you see here this is in the yellow color. So we can change the color and font style of the text. We can add the pictures to make the document more attractive. We can modify the document. We can save the document for future use, and we can also print the document on the paper. So these are the things which we will do with the help of this Microsoft Word. So what is a Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing program which is used for creating the document. It helps us to type letters and reports beautifully by adding borders, shading, tables and pictures in documents. And it was first released in October 1983 by the Microsoft Word. Now, I'm going to tell you about the latest version of Microsoft Word is 2019. But in this we will study about 2010 because I have 2010 on my system. So you all the versions are same. So you will practice accordingly. So how to start with the or how to work with the Microsoft Word? You have to type in the search box is WinWord. Okay, in WinWord this is a one option, and you can also click on the start button. When you click on the start button, you go on the Microsoft Office. When you go on the Microsoft Office, yes, you see here, you click on this option and you can select over here the Microsoft Word. So in this way you will select and open the Microsoft Word for you. So this is the this is the window of Microsoft Word. So the first, when you open the Microsoft Word, you will see this window. And student, this is known as your quick access toolbar. This is known as your quick access toolbar. So, and this is your home tab. This is your insert tab. This is a page layout tab. And this is a references tab. Working of these tabs we will do in the next chapter. This is your title bar, student. The title bar which will show the title of your document. This is also known as your program control buttons. This is known as your program control buttons. Like if you want to minimize, you can minimize in this way, and you can open it with the help of this. This is the close. If you all are finished with your work, then you will close your Microsoft document. Okay, and this is your ribbon. This is a यहाँ से ये this complete is your ribbon, and this is the status bar which will give the status of your document like page 101. This is the insertion point where you can type anything, like in this way you can type anything, or it is also known as your work area. This is also known as your work area. Next, this is the scroll bar. This is your scroll bar. So in this way you can scroll your page, and so this is all about the windows of Microsoft Word. Okay, now the next tab is the file tab, and you can see here I'm going to click on this button. Yes, and this is the print option. So you can select any of the option accordingly if you have a printer attached to your system. So in this way you will do anything. Now I am going to tell you, after you type anything in the Microsoft Word, you can save your document also. So how you will save your document? Suppose I will be writing the myself. Suppose my name is dash dash dash. I am 8 years. I am 8 years old. Okay. So students, in this way you will do the typing, and you can select this content, and you can increase this size also. Like I'm going to increase the size 36. This is your font option, and you can also increase the size over here. So this is how you will change the size of any of the text in the Microsoft Word. You can also change the font style. Suppose I'll be taking the Arial Black, and you will be selecting from here like Arial Black. Okay, so you can also apply the font color. Like in this way, you click on this option and you will give the font color. So students, in this way you can type anything in Microsoft Word, increase the size, change the font style and apply the color. When you all finished with the typing, you click on the save button to save your text for the future reference. So you have the two options. You can click on this option, or you will use the shortcut key Ctrl plus S from the keyboard. So I'll be clicking on this option, save. When you click on this save option, you see here the dialog box will appear. So first of all you have to give the file name. Suppose I'll be giving the file name, it's class 3, and it's a save as type Word document, yes. And after that you will select the location. Suppose I'll be selecting the location desktop. So in this way you can save your document by clicking on this save button. When you click on the save button, you see here your title bar is automatically updated with the name class 3. So students, in this way you can change your text for formatting purpose and save your document. So this is all about your chapter number 7 Microsoft Word, and then after practice it, complete the back exercise and question answers also. Thank you.